Hi, Lynn Talbott here with the Bookkeepers Coach, and today we're going to talk a little bit about imposter syndrome. So if you own your own bookkeeping firm or you've gone out on your own, you probably know this feeling. You're like, oh, somebody's going to find me out, or you feel like somebody's going to come up any day and say, hey girl, you don't know what you're doing. When I first started my bookkeeping firm, I was reading and studying and just gathering all the information I could, and I would over communicate sometimes because I was afraid that the client might figure out that I don't know what I'm doing. And I even had somebody call me one day and say that CPA say, you don't know what you're doing. And that gave me a little pause there. So one of the things about being a bookkeeper is you do need to be up to date on all of the policies and just how books are kept, how the IRS works. You don't have to know all the IRS tax codes, but you do need to understand what you're doing in your books and the books for your clients so that when you send it off to the CPA, it is correct for the taxes. And really one of the best ways to feel better about the imposter syndrome or to get over that feeling is to work with a CPA. So whatever clients you're working with, get permission to talk to the CPA and ask them, how would you like these books set up? How would you like this set up? Or the client has just purchased some land, or the client took out a loan, or their parents are giving them money. Like, how would you like for me to book this? And that's the best way. And the CPA, if they're generous and nice, will kind of help teach and train you and make you feel more confident as well. So my advice to get over the imposter syndrome is, one, show up, fake it till you make it, talk to the CPA, stay on top of all of the training and everything that's going on in QuickBooks, and make sure you understand what it is your clients are doing, the tax breaks and the tax breakdown that they need, and you get that from the CPA. But the imposter syndrome mostly is just showing up, communicating. And if you don't know something, say, that's a great question. Let me find that out, and then go figure it out. There's lots of people that can help you. So one of the things we do in our community support, our bookkeeping community support group, our Slack channel, is we help each other, especially if you feel like, am I overthinking this? Or I felt this way, but a CPA told me something different and now I'm confused. Our Slack channel can help you with that. We have a lot of people there with a lot of knowledge, and we like to help and support each other. So if you're looking for a supportive community and you're feeling like that imposter syndrome is creeping up on you, we'd love to help you out and have you join our community. But if you're already in our community, show up, communicate, stay in touch with the client, and show up and fake it till you make it. So I look forward to working with you, and the imposter syndrome is just temporary. Remember that. Lynn Talbott, the Bookkeepers Coach.